WooCommerce Checkout Manager allows you to create custom fields to add to the checkout page in WooCommerce, and collect extra information about your customers. This information can be useful to prepare marketing campaigns focused on your customers' information and needs, to increase your sales opportunities. To show you how it works, we have created the birthday, delivery date, delivery time and occupation fields. Just remember that the IDs of the custom payment fields will appear in the spreadsheet as column names. With these custom payment fields, we want to do some analysis and prepare some tables in Excel. For example, we want to know the age ranges of our customers and how many of them are students, employees or retirees. We could check the orders individually to see all this data and copy them one by one into an Excel sheet, but that would take too much time. To help you with tasks like this, we'll show you how to use the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin to bulk edit these fields across hundreds of orders at once, as it allows you to perform advanced searches, apply bulk changes, export or import order information via CSV files, etc. We'll leave the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. You'll also find the link to our written guide. To export the custom checkout fields generated by WooCommerce Checkout Manager, you'll need to open the Export tool. Here you can select the columns you want to export. In this case, we'll select the ID, title, and the custom checkout field columns. We'll export the rows from our current search. Optionally, select the app you'll use to edit the file. And export the CSV file. This is an example of how your CSV file will look like. Once you've made the changes, you can import them quickly to WordPress. But first remember to save the file if you're working with Excel, or download the file if you've edited it with Google Sheets. Once the CSV file is ready, let's import it using the Import tool. Here, select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Select to import all the columns. You'll now see some options for importing your orders in this dropdown. In this case, we'll use the option Update Existing Items, and ignore New Items. Then you'll be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file and a WordPress field so that the new information can be entered into the correct order. In this case, we'll select Record ID here, and ID here. And click Next to go on. Now we can see a preview of how the information will look once it's imported. If everything is okay, click here to start the import process. As you can see, you can easily export custom checkout fields, edit the information in Excel or Google Sheets, and import it back into WooCommerce thanks to the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin, which definitely increases your productivity and helps you save a lot of time. Remember that you'll find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.